How to use Monday affirmations to start your week off right. Using Monday affirmations to start your week can be an effective way to overcome negative thoughts. The key is to use them in the right mindset. You must believe in them and practice them at least 3 times daily. Pick 3 affirmations and practice them regularly. Try saying them aloud when you experience negative thoughts throughout the day. Practice them every day, especially in the mornings. Remember, your subconscious mind will not fully understand them until months later. Use a magnet or framed affirmation to remind yourself of your new resolutions. Having your affirmations at hand will remind you of them every day. You can also use affirmations that are specific to Mondays only. Try different ways to use these messages and find the ones that work best. Affirmations can be a powerful tool to help you improve your performance at work and home. They are an effective way to motivate yourself and improve your attitude. While most people experience a negative Monday morning, you can change your mindset and start your week off on a positive note. Whether you have a job interview, a deadline to meet, or other things, Monday affirmations can help you start your week the right way. There are literally hundreds of different affirmations you can choose from and use, but one thing is for sure, you don't need to follow them all. Instead, try 1 or 2 at a time, building on them over time. Then, if you're feeling particularly down, come up with your own. Remember that Monday mornings are the perfect time to use positive affirmations. These affirmations work by reconditioning your mind to focus on what you want. They should also be spoken aloud 3 times each day. Remember that Monday affirmations work because they help us repeat positive thoughts. The repeated positive reviews will transfer to our daily lives. You'll notice a change in your mood and clarity. The power of positive affirmations is undeniable. As long as you practice Monday affirmations regularly, they will start working for you, and they can be as simple as choosing your favorite. Choose 3 that resonate with you and start using them regularly. Soon, you'll notice positive changes and positive results. Thousands of couples have experienced success after using Monday affirmations to improve their relationships. The Relationship Edition will bring you and your partner closer together. And it's not just for couples. You can write and repeat affirmations every day. Write them in a visible place, or keep them on your desk or somewhere else where you will see them daily. Keeping a manifesting journal where you record different affirmations for every day of the week is also a good idea. Affirmations work best when you genuinely believe what you say. Repeating these statements regularly will help your subconscious mind understand the meaning of your goals and make them a reality. Even if you don't work in an office, work will always be there. Even if you work from home, your job will always involve stress. Mondays will always be stressful, whether it's your day job or a traveling one. Ultimately, it's up to you to determine how to respond to them. By using Monday affirmations, you'll be able to face the Monday blues and live your best life. Regular positive affirmations will boost your mood and encourage you to think positively. Repeating them daily will help you create a habit of gratitude for your life. In addition to using daily affirmations to boost your mood, affirmations can be included in a gratitude journaling practice. If you're struggling to find time to practice, try starting small with daily affirmations. They'll help you start your day the right way. Affirmations can be said anytime, but the best time to tell them is in the morning. After that, affirmations can be said out loud or written down. Whichever way you decide to do them, it is crucial to focus on what you're affirming. The most effective way is the one that works best for you. You should always think about your desired emotion or situation before expressing your affirmations. In this way, you will get the desired results without much effort.